Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel My Time My Teacher. In this video we will talk about English grammar and our topic is noun. I will tell about noun, the definition, the types with examples. Right? So first of all, the definition. Noun is basically the name of a person, a place or a thing or object, you can call it. It is the name given to any person, the name given to any place, or the name given to any object. That is called noun. See now the types. Noun is further divided basically into 5 types. The number 1, proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun, and material noun. These are the 5 types of noun. The first one, proper noun. What is a proper noun? It is basically a name of person, place or an object. For example, name of person Mohit, name of place Agra, name of an object like cello pen. This is, if we are giving the name to it, it becomes a proper noun. Common noun. What is a common noun? When we talk about any breed or any species, that is called a common noun. It is like, for example, a boy, a girl, for example, a book, for example, a pen. This is the common noun. If I am calling the name of the boy, it becomes proper noun. If I am calling the name of the girl, it becomes proper noun. Name of the book, proper noun. Name of the pen, proper noun. But if I am taking just the breed of that, the species or the whole one, that is called a common noun. The next one is collective noun. What is collective noun? That is basically a collection, or we can say a group. For example, we have class of the students, we have team of the players, we have a group of the people. That becomes a collective noun because class is having so many students there, 20, 30, 40. Team, 2 people, 5 people, 10 people are there. Group, it can be any number. So when we are talking about the people together, about the group, it becomes a collective noun. Next is abstract noun. Abstract noun is basically about a quality, or which we can say very easily, which we cannot touch. For example, good, pride, for example, love. These are the qualities which we cannot touch. So that's why these are all called abstract nouns, like love, pride and honor. Love is a good thing. Material noun. What is material noun? Is something opposite to abstract. Material which we can touch. It is a material that can be touched. For example, stone, metal, plastic, paper. Any word which is telling us about the material, that is called a material noun. Clear? These are the types of noun. Once again, what is noun? Noun is the name of a person, place or a thing. Types, 5 types are there: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun, material noun. Proper noun, the name of something. Common noun, we talk about the race. Collective noun, if we talk about the group. Abstract noun, we talk about the quality. Or material noun, when we talk about the material which we can touch. Right? These are the basic types of it. Further, we can also divide that into 2 more type of nouns, which are called countable noun, and uncountable noun. See what is countable noun, which can be count. For example, pen. For example, boys, right? For example, cities. But if we talk about the uncountable noun, which can't be count, for example, love, right? For example, respect. These are the things which we cannot count. Honesty. These are the things that cannot be counted. So that's why they are coming in the category of uncountable nouns. These we can count, so they come in the category of countable noun. This is all about the nouns. So hope you have got it all. So if you like the video, just subscribe our channel and press the alert button, icon button, so that you can get the alerts about the new videos. Thank you very much.